Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create schedules for a Dyson Air Purifier Cooler. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, navigate to scheduling your machine, and here we can click on continue and adjust the schedule. So we can pick different days of the week, in this case a Monday and Tuesday. Then we can set the start time and finish time, and then we can adjust the settings for that schedule. So we can pick whatever we want, like auto purify, auto humidify, select the airflow speed, humidify control percentage, change oscillation, airflow direction, or enable or disable night mode. When you're ready, click on use these settings, then add event, and here it should show up in our schedules. We can activate it like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.